Hi, all, good morning. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay, fine. So in yesterday class, we have completed with the tables concept. So especially in yesterday, we worked with the dot working mechanism, form views, form sections, dictionary override attributes. We discussed that. Okay. In today class, so we are going to discuss about applications and models. Applications and models. First of all, we can learn what is application. What is application in Servicenow? So we'll go for the docs definition. So we can see an application in our platform that can help you organization store information and manage business process. Manage business process. Wait. We can also say application menus define the main content that users can access in the application navigator. You can configure which application appear in the application navigator. Which application appear in the application navigator. Okay. Application menu define the main content that users can access in the business application navigator. You can configure which application appear in the application navigator. So this is community link not required. Even this is also not required. This definition is fine. Okay. Yes. So I'm copying this definition and I'm pasting here. I'm also copying this URL. So application menus define the main content that users can access in the application navigator. You can configure which application appear in the application navigator. Okay. Yes. So navigation for creating application is under system definition. Under system definition, we have application menu. Okay, table name for applications are application is sys underscore app underscore application sys underscore app underscore application. Okay, this is the table name for application. Now you can go to the Servicenow instance and you can type application menu. Okay, under system definition, we have application menu. So I'm opening it. The table name for application menu is sys underscore app underscore application. Sys underscore app underscore application. So here you can see this, whatever the tables we have created, whatever the tables we have created, along with whatever the applications created, all are showing here. You can see my third table, my parent, my second table, my first table, like that. So we don't have created application for my child table. That's why it is not showing here. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new application here. Okay. Yes, I'm clicking on new button here and I'm creating a new application. My application name is my first application. My first application. Okay. Yes.
Anji
So,
sir, just one question.
yes, tell
So
me.
those my parent, second table, those are all our tables that we have created, but we just given the given it as a module also. That's what.
Yes, create model true. So that's why it is created application. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So here you can see I'm saving it, my first application. Okay. So again, I'm navigating there. Now you can see we have our application, my first application. Okay. Yes. And you can see, guys, so incident application also from here only. Whatever the application you are seeing here, so all from this application menu only. So you can see self-service, activity subscription, next app engine, availability, benchmarks, business center. These all are the applications. Okay. Here Docker, employee center. These all are the applications. All these applications should be created in sorry, wait. All the applications should be created in here within this table. Okay. Yes, we have successfully created my first application. So if you have created application, still it will not visible to the user. So if you have created application, that application at least required one module. That application required at least one module. Then only it will visible in the navigation panel. Okay. So you can see we just created my first application. We haven't added any modules here. That's why this my first application not visible in this application navigation. Okay. So yes, now we can go to the module. Now we can go to the module. So you can say modules are the children of the applications. We can say modules contains the data and files. Modules contains the data and files. Not this one. So you can see modules are the children or second tier navigation options to the application in the application navigator. Modules often link to other pages or records in the platform. You can configure which modules appear in the application navigation using application menus module. Okay, using application menus module. So modules are the children are the second tier navigation options to the applications in the application navigator. Modules often link to other pages or records in the platform. You can configure which modules appear in the application navigator using the application menu modules. Okay. So basically modules are the children of the application, a second tier navigation of the application. Okay. So these modules are linked to the other pages or records in the service now. So I'm copying this definition here. So we don't require this line here. Here also we don't require. Yes. I'm also copying this URL here. This is also navigation like under system definition. We have modules. Okay. Modules table name is sys underscore app underscore module. Okay. Modules table name is sys underscore app underscore module. Yes. I'm closing all the tabs here. I'm closing all the tabs here as of now. Okay. Yes, I will keep my first application tab. Remaining I will close. So you can come here and you can type modules. So under system definition, we have modules. Modules table name is sys underscore app underscore module. Okay. So whatever the modules you are seeing under application, for example, you can see under activity subscription application, we have configuration. This is one module, modules is one module, classic mobile modules is one module, like this. Okay. So for example, if we are typing instant here, wait, here, if we are typing instant here, so you can see under instant application, create new, assign to me, open, unassign, resolved, all. These all are the modules. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to create a one module. So maybe, so for our my child table, we don't have application, right? At least we can create a module for that table. Okay. For my child table. It's loading. And there are different link types in the model. Okay. There are different link types in the model. It's loading, right? Okay. So there are few link types in the model. Okay. So we'll note down about that. Yes. First, new record. Then come to link type. So you can see. So here we have different link types, but here I will note down in the notepad whatever the things we will use regularly. Okay, those are list of records, new record, URL from arguments, and separator. Okay. New records. URL from arguments. Okay. These are the link types of model. List of records, new records, separator, URL from arguments. Okay, these are the different types of four types of link types. Okay. Yes. Next. Now here I'm going. Here I'm saying create child record. I'll say something like this: create my child. Okay. So here I'm giving application. Here I'm giving application. My first application. Okay. My first application. Order I'm giving 100. Sequence. Order means sequence. Okay. And here I'm using new record. Here I'm using new record, and table I'm selecting my first child. Sorry, my child. My child. Got it, everybody? So you can see I have given title is my create my child. So application is my first application. Order I have given 100. Link type selected new record. Table is my child. And if you want to make so whom to available this module, you can mention roles also. Okay, we will do this along with ACL concept as well. Okay, providing roles to applications and models. We'll do with ACL concept. Okay. Yes. Now I'm saving it. Yes. We have successfully created one application. Under that application, we also created the model. We also created the models. Guys, please mute yourself. Anka Babu. Sorry, Ashok. Yes. Now we have application. Under that application, we have at least one module. Then this application and model visible in the application navigator. Okay. Yes. click on all, you can come here, you can type my first application. You already know we are facing some issue with the application menus. Okay. When we created, immediately it is not showing here. Okay. Still it is not coming. That's why, meanwhile, you can see here also I'm refreshing. Under this application, one model is showing. Okay. Wait. So maybe I will log out and log in again. My first application. No, still the application is not appearing. That's fine. Meanwhile, I will also create few more models. It is taking some time to reflect those applications and models here. Okay, from the models menu. So again, I'm going to the models. Again, I'm going to the models. So here I'm saying all. Here I'm saying title is all. All child. All my child records. My first application. So for example, order I'm giving 200. Order I'm giving 200. Okay. So here I'm using link type is list of records. Table I'm selecting my child. Saving it. Okay. Yes, we have created two models as of now under my first application. I'm refreshing again. Still it is not reflected. Okay, so you can see we have created second model record here under my first application. Here we selected link type is new record. Here we selected link type is new record. Link type is new record. Okay. Yes, link type is new record. Okay, guys. Next again, I'm going to the models. I'm going to create a separator variable. Okay, separator variable. I'm clicking on new button here. Maybe wait. Yes, here I'm going to create a separator link type. Okay, separator. Maybe order I'm giving 300. Maybe here I'm saving. What we can say, maybe I'm planning to display some instant data. Okay, here. Incidents. Maybe I will say incident. Incidents, I will say. Okay. Simply, here I'm giving my first application. And I'm saving it. That's perfect. We have given this also. Again, we can come and refresh here. We can check whether that application is appearing or not. If it is appearing, that's fine. Otherwise, it will take some time to reflect. Okay, my first, no, still it is not reflected. That's fine. So you can see we also created separator variable here. Sorry, separated model here. Separator link type model. Okay. Next. Again, I'm going to models. Again, I'm going to models. Okay. I'm going to say models. And again, I'm going to create a new model. So here, I'm saying my instance. Okay, I'm saying my instance. So here I'm going to my first application only. So here I'm selecting URL from arguments. Here I'm selecting URL from arguments. Yes, here from the URL, we have to copy paste something here. Okay, here we are talking about my instance, right? Order I'm giving 400. Okay, you can go to the instant table. Instant table. Okay, so instance assigned to me, or maybe caller is system administrator, my instance. Okay, you can filter show matching. Okay, so for example, you can right click in the breadcrumb bar, you can copy URL. You can right click in the breadcrumb bar, you can copy URL. Yes, I copied this filter condition. You can right click here, you can click on copy URL. Yes. Next, here you can see in the from the arguments, you can copy paste here. From the arguments, you can copy paste here. So I'm removing this URL. I'm removing this URL. Okay. And I'm saving it. I'm saving it. Okay. Everybody got it? Yes or no? Tell me,
Yes.
guys. URL from arguments we have to give like this. So only after copying the URL from the breadcrumb, copy URL. So you just need to remove your Servicenow instance, your Servicenow instance. So from table onwards, you have to keep. Okay. Yes. I'm saving this as well. I'm saving this as well. Yes. Can check. So I hope I covered four module link types. Still my first application is not coming. Maybe again I'm logging out and I will try to log in. So my first, no, still it is not appearing. Okay, whatever the procedure we did, that is correct only. Okay, whatever the procedure we did, that is correct only. So you can see it is active. Under this application only, we have created all the modules, all the 4 modules. Okay, 1, 2, 300, 400. Okay, maybe we can wait for some time to reflect these modules in the application navigator. Meanwhile, I will show you so how this application looks like. Okay, maybe I'm going to paint. Okay, fine. So for example, my first application, okay. So you can say if it is this is the application. Under this application, how models will display. Okay. Yes. What is application here? Create my child. Create my child. This is first module. Okay. Next one is. All my child records. All my child records. This is second module will display. And third one is separator module. Okay. Incidents. What is incidents? The separator should like this. Right. Okay. Incidents, right? Incidents. Okay, under this separator, our model will appear. Okay, under this instance, our model will appear. What we can say, my instance, I hope. My instance. Got it? How our application and models will appear? Under my first application, yes. First module is create my child. Second module is all my child records. Then we have separator, that is instance. Okay, we have separator, that is instance. Under instance, it will show my instance. Okay, guys, got it? Maybe at the end of the class, that application and modules will reflect. We will show you once in the application navigator. As of now, everybody got it? How it looks like? Yes.
Yes, Sanjay sir.
Okay, fine. Yes, I'm closing this. One second. I'm closing all the tabs here. I'm refreshing. No. So, okay, it will take some time. Okay. Next concept. Yes, guys. So this is about the applications and models. So applications and models are not reflecting in the application navigator as of now. It will take some time to reflect. Okay, I will show you. I will again come to application navigator and show you once it is available with application navigator. Okay, next concept, users. Next concept is users. Who is user in Servicenow? Tell me, guys. What is user in Servicenow?
We are the users.
Okay, we are the users. Okay, what is the definition of user in Servicenow? User is a person who access the instance data. User is a person who access the instance data. User is a record in a user table. Okay, user is a one record in a user table. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes, we'll go for the docs definition. So you can see, manage the individuals who can access your instance by defining them as a user in the system. Create user groups and assign users to them. Use roles to specify what different users and user groups can see. We don't require all this. So this is the user definition. And I'm pasting here. Okay. Manage the individuals who can access your instance by defining them as a user in the system. User is a person who can access the instance data. Both are same or not? Yes. User is a person who can access the instance data. Or manage the individuals who can access your instance by defining them as a users in the system. By defining them as a users in the system. Okay, guys? Yes. I'm also copying this URL. pasting here. So what is the navigation for users? Under user administration, we have users. Okay, users table name is sys underscore user. Okay, sys underscore user. So now you can come here. I'm closing all the tabs here. You can come and refresh. Yes. Check for my first application. Still, it is not available. It's okay. So users. You can see under user administration, we have users. Okay, under user administration, we have users. Okay. So you can see these all are the users. Here almost 625 user records are there. Abel Tutor is one user, Abraham Lincoln is one user. Next, Andrews is one user. Okay, we have many users here. So I will try to open one user record. Maybe I'm opening Abel Tutor's user record. You can see user ID, first name, last name, title, and we have few more fields required here. So I'm going to configure form layout and I will bring those fields to front. Okay, like manager, location fields. Wait. Location. Company. Company. So cost center. Next department we already taken. Next. Yeah, that's fine. You can see guys, so user ID will helps us to log in into the system, user ID and password. And here you can see there is no password field in the user form. So how to bring this password field to the user form? So we have to modify one system property. Okay, we have to modify one system property. You can type sys underscore properties dot list, sys underscore properties dot list. Okay, you can enter. You can type something star password. Oh my god, how many records are there here? 52 records. 1 minute. And name again contains show. So you can see glide dot user dot show dot password dot field. If you want to display user field on the user form, you have to keep the system property true. Okay. Yes. I'm also copying the system property URL. You can simply change your instance ID. You can keep your instance ID here, and you can change the value to true. Then password field also visible in the user form. This is latest feature in the from from next experience onwards from Tokyo. Okay, so here I'm keeping true. Yes. Now we kept it is true, value is true, then password field also visible in the user form. Okay, password field also visible in the user form. You can see. Yes. If you want to change password, from here also you can change the password. Okay. So here you can see user ID is Abil Tutor. If you want to log in with Abil Tutor account, so you require user ID and password, right? Yes. This is the user ID. You have to keep user ID is abil.tutor. So password, whatever the password you have given, that you have to enter. Next, first name is Abil. Last name is Tutor. Okay. Title. So the title is a suggested field. Maybe you can say senior developer. Okay. Title. Password. Maybe he has some password. Okay. Password needs reset. Whenever we are creating a new user record, okay, we will give some default password here. And the once the user logging into the system, if that user want to change password, we have to keep password needs reset. Okay. For example, I have created one user record for Ashok. Okay. So I entered user ID, first name, last name, and password, and I have given that credentials to Ashok. And if I feel when Ashok login into the Servicenow instance first time, if we want to change the password, if we want to display change password screen, once upon Ashok's login, we have to keep password needs reset to true. Okay. Once Ashok changes the password, then this will this
voice is breaking.
It is for only Ashok or for everybody. My voice is breaking.
No, it's okay.
Yep. Yes, Ashok. Maybe issue from my end. If something is problem from my end, so everybody will affect. Okay. Next, locked out. So what do you mean by locked out? For example, we have Ashok in organization. Maybe after 1 year or 2 years, he left the organization. Okay, he left the organization. Then we will not delete his user record. Maybe in future he will join. We will simply make locked out. Okay, we simply make locked out. Then he is not able to log into the system. Got it? If anybody left our organization, for that user we have to keep locked out true. Then they will not able to access our Servicenow instance. Okay, active true or false, you already know if the user is inactive or not. It will identify that. Next, web service access, internal integration user, it's related to integration. You can leave those. Next, you can see email ID, language, which language you want. So by default, it is English. So in few organizations, you also seen some French, something Chinese, some languages here. Okay. So based upon the user's location, we will provide the language also. Calendar integration. So by default, it is the Outlook. Sometimes you will find different webmails, right? So webmails also will provide. Next, time zone. Here you have to provide time zone. So IST like that. Okay. What are the time zone the user? And default date format for the user. So if it is if daytime fields, how the user need to see which format. Okay. Business phone, mobile phone, photo. Okay. Yeah. Manager. Who is this Abil Tutor manager? Maybe I'm keeping Abraham Lincoln. Okay. Manager. Location. This is his location. He is from ACME South America's company. His cost center is engineering. So generally in the organizations, every employee will get salary from the cost center based on the cost center only. Okay. So if every user in the organization has different cost center. Okay. From that cost center, he will receive a salary. Okay, like that. Cost center is related to financial things. Okay. Yes. From this user form, are you, everything is fine, or any queries here? Please ask me. Then after I will create one user record and I will show you. This password needs reset, logged out options I will show you. Okay. Yes, tell me guys. Any queries here? No? Okay, fine. Yes. Now again, I'm going to users. I'm going to create a new user. I'm going to create a new user. Yes, wait, it's loading. So my user ID is I'm saying Anji. Okay. First name I'm saying Anji. Last name I'm saying something. Okay. Yes. So maybe manager Abraham Lincoln. So location India, if India is available. So company, I don't want company cost center. So you can say this I created and password I'm giving. Try. So first of all, I will give admin at the rate of 123, a capital letter. Okay, I have given. And I'm keeping password needs reset. I'm keeping password needs reset. Why? Because of once the user logging into the system, he has to change the password. We have to provide option to change the password. Okay. Email I'm providing like ng.gad@gmail.com. Okay, maybe mobile phone I'm providing like 9640374611. Okay, I'm simply saving it. I'm simply, oh my god, what it is. Okay, wait, we got some error. So password criteria, it's not, we not match password criteria. Okay, wait, again I'm giving Anji, first name Anji, last name Radhe. Password here I'm giving then ABC at the rate of 123 ABC. Wait, we can give eight characters. Maybe I'm giving TRAINING at the rate of 123. Training at the rate of 123 only I have given. I kept password needs reset. Here I'm providing mail address anji.gade@gmail.com. So phone number. So maybe here I'm providing Abraham Lincoln is my manager. Okay, location I'm providing India, something like this. Okay. So now I'm saving it. Previously password criteria, it's not match the password criteria. Now we can see password criteria also match and now it is perfect. What happened? We have to keep password needs reset to true, right, for this user? Yes. I'm keeping password needs reset true. Yes, now I'm opening this instance, maybe in incognito window or in some other browser. Now you can see, now I'm logging with the Tanji user. Wait, it's loading. Instance is loading. So here username is Anji. Password is TRAINING@123. Okay, yes, you can see. Now I'm trying to log in. You can see once upon login, it will show the change password window. It is showing or not? It is showing or not? Change password window once upon you log in. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So password must what we can say must access this criteria. Okay, based upon this criteria only we have to provide password. Now you can say current password I'm providing TRAINING the rate of 123. So here also I'm giving some password. Maybe here also I'm providing training at the rate of 123. TRAINING@the rate of 123. So now Anji user is changing password here. Okay, so you can say new password is same as current password. Okay, it's not taking. Now I will say TRAINING@the rate of 123. Maybe here I will say. So here I'm giving class at the rate of 123. Okay. The new password I have given class at the rate of 123. I'm submitting it. Now you can see Anji user successfully logging into the system. Anji user successfully logging into the system. Okay, guys, got it? Wait, maybe it is loading. Yes. If you are logging first time, I will show you something. You can see. So you can see, guys. Oh my God. Yes, my first application is appearing. I see somewhere here. Where is my first application?
Under content taxonomy.
Yes, here you can see previously, yeah, it's okay, fine. So here now it is appearing. So you can see we have created my first application. Yes, then after under that application we have create my child. Okay, so under that all my child records we have created. It's okay. The application navigation show looks like this for our application. With our admin user only, we'll see all these things. Okay. Yes. Now I'm logging out from Anji user. Okay. Yes. Now you can see maybe this Anji user left the organization. This Anji user left the organization. Now I'm keeping locked out true. Now I'm keeping locked out true. Okay. Yes. I have successfully kept locked out true. Now you can come and refresh. So I'm saying username is Anji. Password we have changed it to class at the rate of 123. The class at the rate of 123. Now I'm trying to log in. What it is saying, you can see, guys, username or password invalid. To reset your admin password, click here. Okay, got it. If we kept locked out for user, if we kept locked out true for user, that user not able to log into the organization. Once the user left from the organization, we'll keep locked out true. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes or no? Yes. Now I'm going to create another user record. I'm going to create another user record. I'm going to users. So I'm going to create another user record. New. I'm saying new. Maybe here I'm saying Ashok. Username is Ashok. Okay, first name Ashok. Maybe second name something like. Okay. Yes. So password I'm giving TRAINING at the rate of 123. Training at the rate of 123. Maybe his manager is Abil Tutor. Okay, his manager is Abil Tutor. Maybe he is from India. Something. Wait. Maybe he is from APAC. Okay. So I'm providing mail ashok.aumar@gmail.com. Okay. So I'm giving you some mobile number 12345678990. Okay. So guys, while filling the user form, you have to fill all these details. Okay. Whatever the details I require for further explanation, for further classes, I required these user records. So there, whatever the details I require, I am filling here. Okay. So in your case, you have to fill title, department, company, cost center, everything. Okay. So now you can see, guys, this time I'm not keeping password needs reset. I'm not keeping password needs reset. I'm not keeping password needs reset. Now you can come here and you can try to log in. It will not ask for the change password. Okay, Ashok. Password is TRAINING@the-rate-of-123. It will not ask for change password. Default, it will log in into the user record. Okay. So first time logging into the user instance will show this tool. Now you can see we have successfully logged into this user. Okay, guys, got it? Yes. We have successfully logged into this user, Ashok. Next. Any queries from the user form? Tell me. Any queries from user form? Yes, please tell.
Anjali, yeah, in organization, who will create the user? I mean, is a admin or developer have the permission to create
So
user?
basically, in the organization, user records will be created by Servicenow admin. Okay, otherwise Servicenow developer. First priority for creating user record is Servicenow admin. Okay, if that organization contains different teams for administration and development, then admins will create a user records. Okay, got it? And generally, in organizations, most of the organizations will not create a user records. Most of the organizations will not create a user record. Okay, so once the employee join into the organization, they will create that user record, that user details into the active directory. Every company will maintain active directory. That active directory contains users and groups information. Okay, for example, Ashok joined into a organization, so they will create one user record in the active directory for Ashok. Okay, so maybe you can say generic password, generic user ID for every application. Okay, yes, they will provide user ID and password from the active directory, and they will integrate that active directory with ServiceNow. They will integrate that active directory with every application they are using within the organization. Okay, now we don't require to create any user records in any system, not only in ServiceNow, in any system. It may be Jira, it may be Salesforce, whatever it is. Okay, so all user records will flow from active directory to their applications. Okay, ServiceNow is also one application within their organization. Okay, got it, everybody?
You mean auto generator means it will generate auto username or
No.
something
You
like
can
that?
see. For example, you joined in one organization. Okay, so they will create one user record for you in the active directory. Okay, they will integrate that active directory with ServiceNow. Then all user records in that active directory will come to the ServiceNow. All user records available in active directory come to the ServiceNow. Okay, yes, now your user record is available with that active directory integration. Okay, now whatever the credentials they provided initially, you will log in with that credentials into the ServiceNow instance. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it? So most of the organizations, the procedure is like this. If that organization not done the active directory integration, if organization not done with active directory integration, then we have to create a user record manually here, how we created as of now. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Sanjesh.
Okay, fine. Next. Yes, it's almost 6:59. Once I'm navigating to the applications modules. Okay, we created. In tomorrow class also we are going to discuss about users, roles, groups only. Okay. Yes. Here I'm clicking on R. So my first application, you can see. Why here it is not appearing? There it is appearing, right?
Is it a user like user is changed and then it is coming? I don't know.
It's not like that actually. Yeah, it's okay. We can wait for some time. Even guys, so for example,
Can you impersonate to Anji
no,
user?
no. So I'm able to show you the structure only. Okay, I'm able to show you the structure only. If you want to access to that modules, it's not possible from the impensation. Okay, because of these person, for example, this Anji person don't have access to insurance, don't have access to my child
But-
table. Got it?
But before we can see the my first application here.
Yes, you can see.
That
The
here
application format should be like this. Okay, the application format should be like this. My first application, this is application. You can see. Yes, this is application we have created. Under this application, we have created one module, that is create my child. When we open create my child, it will open my child form. Okay, guys, you can see in the URL. Maybe here fields will not appear because of we haven't provided this table access to this user. Okay, we will provide table access to user with ACL concepts. Okay, yes, the form will appear to the user like this. Next, for example, I'm clicking on create all my child records. It will show the list view of my child table. You can see URL. Next, this is the separator. If you want to separate data from the application, we will use separator. You can see instance is separator. If you want to see instance assigned to this current login user, you can go here. Okay, guys, got it, everybody? How we have provided modules. Then I'm ending the impensation here. Now I will refresh this forms. You can see how the module looks like. Okay, maybe we have some issue with that applications and models. That's why it is not showing for the system administrator. You can see. Okay, guys, so first module link to my create child form. Okay, second link to all child my child records. So third link to current login user instance. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And so next I'm planning to stop class here. So we'll go for some interaction section. If you have any queries up to here, so please let me know. We'll discuss. If you have any queries up to today class, so please let me know. We'll discuss. Okay.
yes, Anji, Anji is the new user.
Yes.
So how did he access the my first application?
No.
He
so
doesn't have
for-
any.
No. 1 minute. 1 minute. So we have some reasons there. Okay. While working with ACL's concept, you will understand why this Anji user has seen my first application. Okay. Got it. So actually, for my first application or modules, we haven't provided any roles. That's why everybody in the organization will access this. Okay. Got it.
Got it.
Yes. Yes, tell me guys, you have any queries? No? Okay, fine. Guys, actually, today is festival. I know it, Holi. Thank you for joining classes on festival day as well. So here I haven't given holiday. Why? Because within this month, almost we have 3 festivals. Okay. Maybe Holi, Ugadi, and Sri Ram. So it's very difficult to give you 3 days holidays for the festivals. Okay, I'm planning to give only 1 holiday for 3 festivals. Maybe for Ugadi, we can take the holiday. Okay. For Ugadi, we will take the holiday. Okay, guys, everybody okay for this? Yes.
Okay, Anji.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Thank you for joining classes on festival day as well. Next. So, guys, are you started practicing in Servicenow instances? Everybody started practicing whatever the examples we are discussing here. If not, so please start practicing it. Okay, even theoretically and functional, practically. Okay. Next. So here I'm going to ask few questions. Please try to answer it. Okay, fine. So when actual start date field in the change request auto populate. When actual start date field in the change request will auto populate. Tell me guys, somebody. We have plan start date, planned end date, actual start date, actual end date in the change request schedule form section, right? So when it will auto populate actual start date?
When the change request is started, like changes will, I mean, if anyone start the work, like
Okay.
doing the some changes in the production, that time
Okay.
start date will be start.
Yes, you are perfect. And here I need one more point. Okay, that is, so when we will start work in the production from the change
Yeah,
request?
there is a one schedule for change, like they will fix start date to end date, like they want to be do changes in particular time, like
Okay.
yeah, there is one particular period is there.
Yes, yes, we will mention in the schedule form section, we'll mention plan start date. If that time comes, we'll start our work. That's perfect. And while if we are doing some changes in the production at that time, what is the state of change request? What is the state of change request? Guys, please think, and you can look into the change request states, and you can tell me what is the state while implementing the change.
Implementation stage,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. While the change request state comes to implement, then we will do the modifications in the production environment, and actual start date will auto populate. Okay, when the change request state move to the implement. Okay, guys, got it, everybody? So when actual start date will auto populate, the change request state move to implement. Okay, got it? Yes.
Yes.
Next, when actual end date will auto populate? When actual end date will auto populate?
When change request is going to complete, that time it will be automatically.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the state? In which state actual end date will auto populate?
It's closed.
No. No.
Implement and the review state, right? Review.
Exactly. Once the change request state move to the review, then immediately actual end date will auto populate. Actual end date will auto populate. Everybody got it? How actual start date and actual end date will auto populate? In interviews, they will ask this question. Okay, guys. Yes. So next question. For creation of standard change request, is it required any approvals? For creation of standard change request, is it require any approvals?
No,
No.
Anji.
No.
No.
So for creation of standard change templates, is it required approval? For creation of standard change templates, is it required approval?
Yes, Anji.
Exactly, it is required approval. Okay. What is the table name for change request?
Change underscore request.
Exactly, change underscore request. So what is the change task table name?
Change underscore request underscore task, right?
No, change underscore task.
Ah, sorry. Yes.
Okay. What is the parent table for change?
Task.
Task.
Okay. What is the parent table for change task?
Change underscore request.
No, task
Is
only.
the task one.
Task only. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So what is conflict detection? What is conflict detection in the change request? Somebody tell me the answer for it.
Conflict detection. It is the one of the change.
Yes, this is one procedure in the change request. So with the conflict detection, we'll check. So is it the actual configuration item is affected? So say, we have any change request with the same configuration item. So is it scheduled within? Is any change schedules conflicting with this configuration item like this? We will check with conflict detection. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So maybe somebody tell me at least by seeing notebook, what is conflict detection?
I didn't remember it, Anji. It is there any field in the change
No,
form?
we have one form section conflicts. Okay, we have
Okay.
one form section conflicts.
If you possible, can you open that change form and
One
we can
minute.
see that would
Okay,
be
okay.
better.
I will open change. Change request. Guys, if possible, please keep on hold for 2 minutes. Okay. So here you can see conflicts. Okay, here we will add, and here also we will add impacted services. Under impacted services also we'll add what configuration item was affecting by with this change request. Okay, maybe you can also see the in conflict detection definition for 1 minute. So you can see. Yes, guys. So somebody tell me what is conflict detection? Yes, it is in document. At least somebody read the conflict detection definition. Am I audible?
Conflict, yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Conflict detection identifies potential scheduling conflicts for a change request based on the configuration items,
Okay.
planned start date and the planned end date in scope for the change. If a scheduling conflict exists, conflict detection also checks any related blackout or maintenance schedules and other active change requests to determine the scheduling conflict.
That means, so conflict detection always check. So we are doing change for the actual configuration item. Is that configuration item using in any another change request? Okay, within the same schedule we mention any other change request schedule for same configuration item. Okay, so if we have any conflicts, conflict detection will identify that. Okay, yes. So we have 5 minutes time. So yes, somebody tell me what is the latest version of Servicenow we are using?
Utah.
Okay, Utah. What is instant? What is incident? Yes, somebody tell me instant definition.
Okay, unexpected interruption in your business application
Okay.
is called incident.
Mhm. So we have to say the definition as it is. Okay.
Yeah,
Instant is
okay.
the unplanned interruption to IT service, quality of reduction in IT service, failure of PCI has not yet impacted on IT service. Yes, what are the states in incident management? Yes, I will give you 3 to 4 questions here. So please answer each one question. So what are the states in incident management? What are the states in problem management? What are the states in normal change request, emergency change request, and standard change request? 3, 4, 5 questions. Yes, tell me.
Okay, incident states: new,
Yes.
in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, and cancelled.
Perfect. Yes, somebody tell me problem states, problem management states. Yes,
Can I say, Anji?
we can wait for maybe 30 seconds. I need to get response from some others. You already given answer. Yes, guys, somebody tell me. Guys, so it is not first day for asking the questions. So from starting onwards, we are asking the questions. You have to say the answers. So without preparation, if you are attending the classes, that's your time waste. Please don't do like that. So you have to prepare. Yes, you can tell me, Uncle. Ramesh, are you going to say answer?
Yes, new
Yeah, tell me.
assess, root cause analysis, fixing
Mhm.
progress, resolved and closed.
Yes, perfect. You can repeat problem states.
New assess, root cause analysis, fixing progress, resolved and closed.
Yes, resolved and closing. Perfect. Yes, normal change request states. Who is going to say? Yes, I'm expecting from others. Anand Sai, Chakradhar, Kasi, Rahul, Ramakrishna, Vamsi. Guys, please, somebody tell me.
So,
Anji,
actually,
can I say?
Yes, Ankababu. Yes, Vamsi, you are saying something.
actually, my voice isn't that good, sir. So that's why I can't able to respond to you.
Yeah, it's okay, fine. Your voice is good. No problem. You can tell me.
Yeah, any services change that is not standard change is a normal change.
Okay. Yeah, you can say for normal change request states.
Uh,
Yes, Vamsi.
yes, I'm trying to think.
Yeah, okay. Guys, this is kind of revision. So please try to interact everyone in the class. Okay. Yes, Anka Babu, you can tell me the states of emergency change request.
Yeah, it's emergency change request for states like new, authorize, scheduled, implement, review, closed, and cancelled.
Okay.
Here is not required access.
Yes. Ramesh, what are the states of standard change request? No.
I will tell, can I tell you, Anju?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, standard change state is new, schedule, implement, review, closed and cancelled. The
Okay,
two
perfect.
states which are not required are assess and authorize.
Yes, exactly. Yes, Vamsi, are you ready with the normal change request states?
Actually, no, sir.
Yeah, it's okay, fine, no problem. Yes, somebody tell me normal change request states.
New, access, authorize, scheduled, implement, review, closed, cancelled.
Perfect. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining classes on festival day as well. I'm so thankful for you. So we will meet you tomorrow with users, roles, groups concept. Okay. Thank you all.
Is today holiday for organization?
No, for my office, we don't have any holiday. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you all. Happy Holi to all.
Yeah, too.